confidence. Okay, now my hacks, okay, hours every day and all, I'm going to get to that. Okay, how much do you earn now, sir? Wow. Matlab, even my parents won't ask me that, and Jayant is saying how much do you earn. I'm very happy and comfortable. Is that okay? Is that okay? Cool. Matlab, does not matter what it was. What was my percentile? Well, my percentile was 99.97 percentile. And you know what? I've never really gone ahead and scored more than that or equal to that ever, even since I've started teaching. One reason for that, obviously, we aim not to score very, very high so that we do not get very high percentiles and thereby get calls. But I'll be very, very frank. I don't think I can score 99.97 as well, because I don't prepare like that the way I used to. मैं verbal में उतना fight नहीं मारता. That time I used to मारो a little bit of fight in verbal as well to score percentiles. I'll still do well in Quant and DLR, and verbal I always remain at the 97-98 percentile. होता नहीं है. Okay? हाँ, पैकेज, मेरे पैकेज पे ही सब आ जाओ बस. और तो वही मोटिवेट करेगा तुम लोग. मेरा पैकेज क्या है? I don't know how that is your concern. मतलब people think of Virat Kohli and Dhoni, first thing they will say, how much does Virat Kohli earn? How much does Harsha Bhogle earn? Why do you care about how much people earn? You care about how much you need to earn to be happy. That's it. Which IIM are you from? I am from IIM Calcutta, my friend. From IIM Calcutta. Okay. Hack number one. Part one. Yeah, there are two ways to go ahead and crack CAT. Number one, try aiming, 33, 34 in each section. Like I said, 25 in each section, 75 you get 97. 33, 34 in each section, guaranteed 99.2, 99.3. One is this. Second is you could be a little bit like me, which is identify two sections you're good at. For me, that is Quant plus DILR. What I like to do is Quant plus DILR may score 80 to 85 marks. Then in verbal, I know even if I score 25 to 30, I have scored 110, 99.5 plus hai. Okay, so that's how I want to look at it. Okay? Sir, need your motivation how to avoid Durga Puja and Cricket World Cup this year. Forget about Durga Puja. We all have to forget about our festivals at some point in life. When you start working, you will not be able to concentrate on Durga Puja either. Because they will not generally give you leaves at that point in time. Navratri and Durga Puja, har bande ko leave nahi milti. So you will have to give up on Durga Puja for sure. Cricket World Cup, limit yourself to India matches. Look at the dates of the India matches. Yaar, India, Pakistan kab hona hai? Right? Look at those dates. October mein hona hai. Exam 1-1.5 mahine baad hai. So think of it as a cheat day. Think of all the India matches as a cheat day. In order to give myself the liberty of watching the India match, I will do so much during the other days. So I will make up for the India match during the other days. India match is cheat day. So you can still have cheat days. Correct? So keep that in mind. Okay? So my recommendation is identify the 1 or 2 sections which you feel you are very, very good at and try scoring high there. 35 to 40 vaal in the other section, just score enough to get the cutoff. Okay. So with zero work experience with good CAT percentile, would I be able to convert top IIMs? Absolutely. Why not? So World Cup to fir aa jayega. Exactly. I like that mentality. Do you Abhishek Daya? He was AVP in BYJU'S. I worked under him. He was also IIM Calcutta alum. Yes. I know Abhishek Daya. Yes. MBA करके Lords में match देखना है. I like that mentality. Yeah, so I've done a lot of that in India. Traveled a little in India. Now traveling abroad to go watch matches is something that I'm going to kickstart as well. Going to probably kickstart early next year itself. So yeah, that's a good motivation to have, right? Earn enough so that you can travel to watch matches. It's a good motivation, correct? So have a look at it. Okay. Confused between two options in exam, that generally happens in verbal, nowhere else. So when that happens, take punts. If it happens in 7-8 questions, 3 also you get right, 4 you get wrong, that is still going to be +5. So it works for you, right? Much load due to college studies that I need to prepare exam in November by learning 3 programming language overall. That you'll need to balance that, right? Difficult for me to go ahead and state that. कि क्या करना है. Guruji toppers batch में कैसे enroll ले? Zatitude that is coming. It's under one of my hacks. Okay, wait कर लो यार थोड़ा, please. ठीक है? Okay. Now let's move ahead. What is the second hack? Yeah, question strategy. This is something that I always state, very, very important according to me. Look at last year CAT. 70 percentile roughly at 29, 80 percentile let's say at 36, 90 percentile let's say at 48. What is the jump? 29 to 36, 7 marks, 36 to 48, 12 marks. One question that I get wrong, if I get right, that's an addition of +4, -1 to +3, +4. So you can move from 70 to 80 by getting 2 questions that you used to get wrong right. You can move from 70 to 80 by getting 3 questions you used to get wrong right. So that is what I want you to keep in mind, that these jumps are what you need to look at. Where you are today does not matter. Look at this strategy. You know, if imagine in August, this is where you are sitting. Imagine in August, this is where you are sitting. Okay. In August, let's assume that your percentile is 50. That means you're scoring roughly 20. Say in mocks, you're scoring 20 with a 50 ka percentile. From August to September, your only goal needs to be one question that I used to get wrong, can I get right? That's it. उससे ज़्यादा fight नहीं मारनी. Then that will mean plus 12. You will move to 32, which is 75 percentile. From September to October, look at plus 16, which means 4 questions. That means in your area of strength, look at 2 questions you used to get wrong that you will get right. In other sections, look at 1 section you used to get wrong that you will get right. You move from a 75 to 90 automatically. October to November, once again you need a 12-mark jump. That means 1 question you used to get wrong, you can get right. That means from 50 percentile, you can move to a 95 percentile by just giving yourself a simple goal. 1 question that I get wrong as of today, I will get right by the end of the month. That's it. Sir, I got Pondicherry Central University, Hyderabad Central University for MBA. Should I go for it? Papa कह रहे हैं, Papa is telling you don't get CAT. I am not going to apply any colleges. Lost all good opportunities. My recommendation, no central universities for MBA are not the best. At least give it another go, fight a little. Even if you score a 75-80 percentile, you'll get some decent tier 3 level colleges which you can start looking at. Wellinger might be possible at an 80-82 percentile as well, which does not need a very high score. All you need is to get about 12 to 14 questions right on an average and you can get there. So please keep that in mind. So this is my second hack. Okay, this is my second hack that I want you to keep in mind. Points for internship, no. Internships don't matter at all. Okay, in mocks I attend not more questions but end up getting majority wrong, not getting accuracy. So once again, I'm going back to what I was talking about, my friend. If you're getting 95 already, Parimala, then don't take a central university at all. Please concentrate here. You'll do very well. Accuracy, Akansha had asked me this question and I answered. Have you made notes? Go through the basics, go through all the videos, make notes. Start answering questions. When you get anything wrong, come back to your notes, see which concept it was, reiterate it, go through it again. Go through the notes 3 to 4 times a week. If you come across a question which is not there in your notes, understand the hack, understand the methodology, add it to your note. Your note size keep increasing and you keep concentrating more and more on that. Notes are the key here. Okay, please keep in that. Your comments on UBS Chandigarh, it's fine, yeah. If you're looking at it in the range of 80 to 85 percentile, not a problem at all. Okay. 6 months of work experience, is it good? It's fine. Not a big deal. It's not a game changer at all. It's not a problem, not a good thing. It's fine. Okay. Sir, which IIM is best for specialization in analytics? Now, PGDBA kar lo. PGDBA is available at, business analytics is available at IIM Bangalore and IIM Calcutta, ISI Kolkata and IIT Kharagpur together have a PGDBA. That's a different entrance exam itself. PGDBA for IIM Bangalore is through the CAT exam. Okay, you can look at that.